everybody. We're going to surprise restore on the way back today. We weren't originally planning to go here, but apparently it decided to work out. So we're going to go in and look for some vintage ceiling fans one last time on the trip. So it's good because I have not found anything at any of the other stores. And of course this could be the same story, but it's worth a check. So, I'm seeing lights over there. All the ceiling fans are to the right of where the lighting is. Okay, I see them. Okay, oh, we got a whole bunch over here. Okay. Got that cute little thing there. We got a Sonica builder fan. That's pretty cool. Okay. Just another Sonica thing there. There's a hugger here, and then there's another. It's on top of another one. It looks like maybe it's an. Is it an Evergo hugger? I don't know. Can't tell, is that a new tone right there? It's the navy two-tone decorator. I'll look at that. Okay, if it is a decorator, I will get that. Here's a green thing that looks pretty cool. It's probably another Sonica. There's a Hunter low profile motor. Oh, look at that cool spinner. I love the looks of that thing. There's that craft made thing. Okay, that looks like. Oh, what is this? This looks like it's a. It has a genuine canopy. What is that? It's like, is that like a small? It's got thinner plates. It's like a. It looks like it's a sea island or something. I can't tell. But I'd be happy to take a sea island home. I've been looking for those every. Oh, look at this! I know there's a Hampton Bay Care Chest. I know E-Man fan likes those, but I'm not gonna get it. And G vent thing right there. That's like some Regency thing, and then there's a builder. The builder's got two light text. Or no, that's a Murray Feist, I think. That's just like the one I saw at John Kirk with Dan. Murray Feist fans. Yeah, this race store looks pretty interesting. I'm seeing some new Tony looking stuff here, so I'll check that out. Okay, I'm not seeing any other ones. Let's make sure they don't have any on the ceiling, but this would be a good building to put some fans up in. Maybe like some vintage pro lines or something. Yes. Okay, we'll go over to that staff only back. Do they have any fans for sale? Okay, no. Well, not that I can see. So, guys we got piles and piles of blades here. Trying to find blades I can use for. I was gonna see if I could get a guy named well, I don't really know his name. He has two channels, but I promised him I would try to get some blades for his Lady Delta. He's a white Lady Delta. Not seeing anything. What is the blades? No, that's way too cheap. We got these brackets here that look like they could be Lady Delta brackets, but anything I also am looking for blades for my other one, my Weston house. I guess I can get that at home later. Okay, that's gonna be it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye-bye.